Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about tricks or how to solve the problem of Quizlet app. You click on settings, you go here to this sign, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings, then you will search about the application of, then we here we click on Quizlet as you see, and we click like this. Here we click on first stop and we click OK, and then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone.